Today in this video, we're going to talk about your income and your income needed to buy a house. Check it out. Hi, I'm Rhonda Burgess, and I'm a real estate broker here in Nashville, Tennessee. I've been a real estate broker for 22 years, and my firm is Southern Living Realty Partners. This is the second video in a series I'm doing about what you need to do to get ready to buy a house, to qualify for a mortgage. Let me say this. In this, they call it the gig economy, where everybody's got their own, your hustle. Whether you driving Uber, you doing Uber Eats. My hair girl does GrubHub. I got DoorDash, Uber Eats, everything on my phone. You see, I ain't missing no meals. But anyway, I say this to say that your side hustle income is hard for underwriters to include it and to account for it. Because there's no, let me give you an example. If you were working a part-time job, if you have been working a part-time job, a part-time W-2 job, you're hourly, you clock in, you clock out, okay? Let's say you're working 20 hours a week, $10 an hour, okay? And you've been doing that for 2 years. You've received a W-2 at the end of the year, okay? Because you filled out a W-4 form. You've got paycheck stubs. So, and if you've been doing it for at least 2 years, I have a history as an underwriter that I can go off of, and I can give you credit for that money. I understand, I told you, I've always got my hustle on. I've drove Uber, I drove Lyft. I'm a travel agent on the side. I do whatever, by any means necessary, okay? But the way that you need to do it so that this money can count. I know like with Uber or Lyft, you can get paid daily. Okay. What I strongly suggest that you do to get that money in, to make that money count, is put it in a savings or checking account religiously. The same one. Not over here, I'm going to put $50 over here at the credit union. I'm going to put $50 at Regions, and I'm going to put $50 at Bank of America. No. Put it all in one account and just save as much as you can in that account when it's all said and done. Because when we get ready to account for your down payment money or your closing costs funds, we're going to ask to see 2 months worth of bank statements. Okay. Back in the day, back before the market crash, we used to have a whole bunch of bank statement loans where we could use, 12 or 24 months worth of your bank statements showing you making those constant deposits if you were self-employed or had that, side gig going on, and we could count that money that way. Those bank statement programs are long gone. So what you're going to have to do, like what we call A paper. That's people who are W-2'd, work religiously, all that good stuff. They work their 40 hours a week. You're going to have to keep that money coming into that savings account or that checking account religiously, and don't touch it. Let it build up. Okay? Because then when we ask you for your 2 months worth of bank statements, because we want to see where your down payment money and or your closing cost money is coming from, where your earnest money deposit came from, where the money for the home inspector came from. We want to see all of this, right? If it came from that account where you had all these multiple deposits from your side gig, there's really nothing we can say about it. We're not going to count it. We can't count it as income like your W-2 job, okay? But this is how you can get that money in, is by saving it and using it for your down payment, your closing costs, your 2 or 3 months reserves, because some loans are going to require you to have 2 months reserves, meaning you need to have once you close on your house, you still got to show in a bank account that you have at least 2 months principal, interest, mortgage interest, taxes, and homeowners insurance. This is how you get that gig money in. Like I said, it's not going to count as your monthly income. Even though you may be bringing home, you making $2,000 a month on that income, it's not going to count, because then you're going to have to write off all your expenses and everything. You see what I'm saying? It's just not going to work. And if you don't have a 2-year history of doing it, it's not going to work. And a 2-year history of writing it off and showing all your money and then writing off all your expenses, believe me, as a self-employed person, I know what I'm talking about. Oh, taxes get on my nerves. But anyway, this is the way you get that money in. Keep it in a specific account. Deposit to the same account every day, every week, whichever way you get paid with your side gigs. If you catering on the side, put that money in the same account. You getting them checks from your customers, put it in there. Cash App. If you getting Cash App, you taking Cash App, Zelle, whatever it is, PayPal. You getting money that way. You got the little square reader on your phone. Whatever your hustle is, you getting that money. Make sure you put that in the same account every month. Be religious about it. And that's how you're going to be able to get your side money in to help you when it comes to buying a house. Again, my name is Rhonda Burgess, and I'm a real estate broker here in Nashville, Tennessee. Please subscribe to the channel, as I will be adding more videos in the coming days all about buying a house. What you need to do, how you need to do it, however you need to work it. Whether you're buying a house in the Nashville area or anywhere, around the country. If you need help with buying a house here in Nashville, I would love to help you. Me and my partner are available to help you at any time. If you're in another city and state and you would like a referral to an agent who knows what they're doing and can help you in your state, give me a call. I have friends and realtor friends and connections all around the country. I'd be glad to steer you to someone who's gonna, work hard for you. Again, my phone number is 615-554-0832. I do answer my phone, so be prepared for a telephone conversation. You can text me also. I prefer talking on the phone. Again, please subscribe to the channel. And thank you, and have a blessed day.